Today we're going to start our foundations by just reviewing a couple of our letters and sounds. Let's look at our first letter right here. What letter is this? That's right, it's our letter G. And what sound does this letter make? That's right, it's our G sound for G, game, G. Our next letter is this one right here, and it's our letter R. What sound does that letter make? That's right, it's our sound. Our next letter is on this card. Who can tell me what letter we have? That's right, it's our letter U, and it makes the sound for you, up, Our next letter is on this card. Who thinks they know what letter this is? That's right, it's our letter Y, and it makes the Y sound like at the beginning of yellow. Our next letter is our letter C. Who thinks they know what sound our letter C makes? That's right, it's our K sound like at the beginning of cat. And our last one is our letter P. Who thinks they know what letter what sound this letter makes? That's right, it's our P sound for pea, pan, P. Great job, first grade. Now we're going to go over here and we're going to look at our digraphs. We started talking about those yesterday, and we said that there are two letters that go together to make one sound. So our first one is our WH digraph, and it makes the W sound, like at the beginning of whistle. Our next digraph is our CH digraph, and it makes the ch sound like the beginning of chin. Our next digraph is SH, and that makes the sh sound like the beginning of ship. Our next digraph is our TH digraph, and it makes the sound like at the beginning of thumb. And our last digraph is our CK digraph, and it makes that k sound like at the end of sock. Awesome job, first grade. Now we're going to go and we're going to hear some words, tap them out, and put them together to spell the word. And these words are going to have some of our digraphs in them. So if I look here at my board, I'm going to listen to our first word, which is the word rash. So let's tap out that word together. Sh. And I know that sh sound is my SH digraph. But remember, because those two letters only make one sound, we only tap them one time. So let's start spelling our word. Our first sound was the sound, and I know that the letter R makes that sound. Our second tap was the sound, and I know our letter A makes that sound. So I'm going to move my letter A card up there. And we said our last sound was the sh digraph. So I'm going to go down here to the bottom, and I see my SH digraph. So I'm going to go ahead and move that card up here. And if I look, I have 1, 2, 3 cards because I did 1, 2, 3 taps when I tapped out our word rash. Let's try another one. Our next word is the word chip. Chip. Let's tap it out together. Ch, I, p. Our first sound was the ch sound. What card do you think we're going to move to get that ch sound? That's right, it's our CH digraph. So I'm going to move that up. Our next sound was I. What letter makes that sound? That's right, it's our letter I. So I'm going to go ahead and move our letter I up. And our last sound was the P sound. What letter makes that sound? That's right, it's our letter P. So I'm going to move that up. And again, I can see that I have 1, 2, 3 cards because I had 1, 2, 3 taps when I tapped out our word. You did a great job, first grade.